today let's start with chapter number 9, our environment. So let's study about the environment. All living and non-living things on the earth makes up the environment. It consists of four basic elements. We have hydrosphere, right? We have hydrosphere, atmosphere, and lithosphere. And where they all meet, what we call it? This is known as biosphere. Right? This is hydrosphere, atmosphere, or lithosphere. So first is hydrosphere, means water. Hydro means hydro का मतलब ही क्या होता है? Water होता है. तो hydro means water, right? The hydrosphere is the part of the earth's surface which is covered with water. जो किससे घिरा हुआ है? पानी से घिरा हुआ है, right? So sphere of this region of water without the life cannot survive. देखो बिना पानी के तो कोई भी survive नहीं कर सकता. It consists of all the water bodies on the earth जैसे seas, ocean, lakes, rivers, underground water and whether चाहे वो solid form में हो, चाहे वो liquid form में हो, चाहे वो gas form में. So we have three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and water is found in the three states. So water mainly covers 70% of the earth's surface and remaining 9% is land. That is why earth is called water planet. No other planet has been found having water content. The water of the ocean and the seas is salt. While the river है, lakes है, ponds हैं, ये कैसे होते हैं? Potable होते हैं और fresh होते हैं. Water is continuously in motion because of process of evaporation, condensation. It evaporates from different water bodies during the daytime when it is hot and moves up as water vapor into the atmosphere. So at the higher altitudes, as we talk about, so atmosphere of the water vapor cools down to change into water drop. और वो हमारे अर्थ पे किस फॉर्म में आते हैं? रेन के फॉर्म में आते हैं. सो व्हाट वी कॉल इट? वाटर साइकिल. नाउ लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ इज इम्पॉसिबल. लाइफ अर्थ की वो क्या है? इम्पॉसिबल है. Without water, it has varied uses of human being. It is used in animal rearing, cultivation of crop, baking, industries, bathing, washing. It is one of the oldest mode of transportation. The marine life exists here. जो what क्या provide करती है? That is food and medicines. Ocean influence and controls the climate of a particular. Next is atmosphere. What is atmosphere? It is colorless, transparent, and odorless. Right? It acts as a protective shield. Right? And since it prevents harmful rays of sun from touching the earth, only those rays of sun can pass through the atmosphere जो क्या है? Necessary है. For what? Continuity of the life. So atmosphere consists of number of gases. सबसे ज्यादा आपकी नाइट्रोजन है, that is 78%. Oxygen is 21% and we have other gases like carbon dioxide. ठीक है, आपकी नियॉन हो गई, हीलियम हो गई, आर्गन हो गई, क्रिप्टन हो गई. ऑक्सीजन सबसे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट गैस है फॉर द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज नीडेड बाय द प्लांट्स फॉर मेकिंग फूड. वाटर वेपर इन द एटमॉस्फेयर किसमें हेल्प करता है? कंट्रोलिंग द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द प्लेस एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रेनफॉल. ठीक है, रेनफॉल का भी फॉर्मेशन इसकी वजह से. सो लिथोस्फेयर मीन्स द लिथ मीन्स लैंड पार्ट. So we have different layers. We have crust, mantle, core, and core is divided. You can see the core is divided into two parts: inner core and outer core. Lithosphere, surface of the earth, which is made of solid rocks and soil. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Crust कहते हैं. ये thinnest layer है and there are two more layers below the lithosphere. What we call it? Mantle. ठीक है, ये आपका mantle हो गया and this is core. Right? Core is divided into two parts. You can learn it. And in the middle layer is the mantle, which is thicker than crust. It is found below the continent and under the ocean. As you go deeper, the core has two parts. Outer core जो liquid होता है, inner core solid होता है. अगर हम बात करें outer core की, outer core ये वाला जो core होता है, ये solid होता है और inner core this one and outer core will be liquid. Now next is biosphere. What is biosphere? So I have shown you in the starting was the chapter only. यहाँ पे सारे meet करते हैं. So all the living beings together exist in biosphere. It includes those parts that is atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere where life exists because Living organism cannot survive without air, water and land. Each living organism has its own particular environment. What we call it? Ecosystem. So biosphere includes all plants, animals, other living things functioning together with non-living objects. So biosphere forms only very small part of the earth mass, and biosphere is the only layer that makes living on the earth possible. So land, water and air, what is constitute abiotic environment? While the living organism, plants, animals and humans, they take together and what they do, they make biotic environment. Right? Hope you understood the chapter. This is all. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.